These are my three favorite things about Google's Pixel 8 Pro. Number one, there is an incredible battery on the Pixel 8 Pro. Most iPhone users I know run out of battery midday, but I often go to bed with well over 50% battery on this phone. It also charges really fast with USB-C or with wireless mounts like the Google Pixel Stand. Number two, Pixel phones have some of the highest rated cameras, and I would say that the portrait mode is the best in the industry as Google uses a lot of good software processing to make their photos look incredible. Number three, this is a fairly lightweight phone when you consider the size. It's been really easy to carry since I bought it on release day, and I'm not really worried about putting a screen protector on it. Although I did put a clear case on it just for a little side protection if I ever drop it. So those are my three favorite things about the Google Pixel 8 Pro today.